A small cap IT company has been trending in India because of its dividend declaration plan. Majesco India, which is listed on the stock exchange, has declared a dividend of 974 rupees per share. And surprisingly, the share price of the company is just 988 rupees. It means that this is a dividend yield of around 92% compared to the share price. We have seen a lot of companies declaring 200 300% returns in the recent past, but it is compared to the face value of the share. But when we compare this dividend with the face value of Majesco share, it is a whooping 19,480% dividend yield. So you can imagine the reason why we are making this particular video on the dividend declaration plan of a company. In this video, we are going to talk about the reason behind this huge declaration of the dividend, and should investors be participating in this particular dividend declaration or not. You would also be surprised to know that the company has also declared a share buyback plan of around 650 crore rupees, and this dividend declaration plan is worth rupees 2788 crore rupees. It means that the approximate value of the entire distribution plan is around 3500 crore. So now you might ask that why is this company declaring so much dividend and where did the money come in from? So Majesco India is an IT company which is not only functioning in India but also in various other countries. Majesco India also has a subsidiary company known as Majesco US. This company also deals in IT and various other technological products in the US itself. Majesco US is also listed on Nasdaq, which is the stock exchange of the United States, and Majesco India is the parent company. Now, in July 2020, Majesco India has sold its entire stake in Majesco US and has garnered over 3,500 crore rupees from the deal. And this particular deal was in a lot of limelight in the recent past because of the huge premium at which the deal has happened. The company was sold to Thoma Bravo, a private equity firm in the US, and the deal valuation was so high that the share price of Majesco India has almost doubled itself in the last few months. So, as I told you, the company has garnered around 3,500 crore rupees from the divestment of a subsidiary which is Majesco US, and the company now says that it does not have any such future plan and it wants to distribute the entire sum of money among the shareholders. So they are just channelizing this 3,500 rupees among the shareholders in the form of dividends and buyback. So now what exactly is the timeline for the dividend and how can a person capture this particular dividend? So the dividend has been declared by the board on 15th December, which is today, and the ex-dividend date has been set at 23rd December 2020. So if someone wants to be a part of this particular dividend declaration plan, he has to buy the shares of Majesco India before 23rd December. The record date is 25th December and the dividend payout will happen mostly by 30th December. So in the next 15 days, you can garner a dividend of 974 rupees by just investing 988 rupees per share. However, there are some important points that you have to take care of before investing. You might know that whenever a dividend is declared or whenever a stock goes ex dividend, the share price falls by the same price as the dividend. So, if the company is declaring a dividend of 974 rupees, the share price is also expected to fall down from 988 rupees to somewhere around just 8 to 10 rupees per share. Moreover, in future, the company has decided to also distribute the existing cash balance, which is 103 crore rupees, to the shareholders and also monetize the real estate and also distribute all these money among the shareholders. So the entire motive behind this particular distribution of money is not quite clear because the future plans in terms of business of the company, the fundamentals of the company is not quite clear. So the management of the company might be addressing the media sooner or later today, and it will be a key pointer for all the investors to note. If you found this video interesting and insightful, do subscribe to our channel to remain updated with all such financial news and everything happening in the business and the corporate world.